Assalamu alaikum wonderful people. I am Dr. Asma Mahmood and today we'll talk about date vinegar, how to use it, its benefits, when to use it and how much to use. So watch the video till the end because you will be knowing a lot of new things today. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon with it so that you can receive immediate notifications of every new informational video that I upload as soon as it is uploaded. So we'll start right after the intro. Date vinegar has many benefits which are all scientifically proven, and all the research links can be viewed in the description box below, so do check them out. The first and the foremost importance of date vinegar is regarding acidity. Whoever complains of acidity, bloating, flatulence, any gut issues should try date vinegar. The way of taking date vinegar for stomach issues is that you will take in a cup of water, add a tablespoon of date vinegar and take it before every meal. If you take 2 meals, take it before 2 meals. If you take 10 meals, take it before your 10 meals. And you must make sure that your date vinegar comes with mother of vinegar. In fact, any vinegar should be coming with mother of vinegar. Mother of vinegar are these bacteria, these particles. If you can see beneath the bottle, there are some particles settled. These are basically the bacteria and the yeast which make up the vinegar. These are the probiotics or the good bacteria which will provide all the benefits of the vinegar that you get from the vinegar. So what you have to do is shake your bottle like this and then take a tablespoon of this vinegar in a cup of water and drink it before you take any meal, and inshallah any of your gut issues will be resolved in no time. Second scientifically proven benefit of date vinegar is in case of weight loss and sugar control. This is because vinegar is rich in acetones. Acetones are precursors of ketones, and ketones improve the insulin sensitivity. Your body is much more capable of utilizing the sugar that gets into it. Also, if you are aiming for weight loss, it has been found that people who take 1 tablespoon of vinegar every day experience a weight loss, but people who take 2 tablespoons experience even more weight loss. So if you want a weight loss benefit of date vinegar, take 2 tablespoons of your date vinegar in a glass of water early morning. Okay, and the thing is, many people complain to me that apple cider vinegar hurts their throats and they get sore throat after using apple cider vinegar. This will not happen with date vinegar, I assure you. Take date vinegar, take 2 tablespoons, even 3 tablespoons, and your throat will be alright, and you will experience a healthy weight loss along with the sugar control if you are diabetic. The third benefit of date vinegar is in case of control of cholesterol for heart patients. In case of heart patients or cholesterol control, you have to take the vinegar at night. This is because all of your cholesterol or fats, they are poured into the bloodstream at night, and that is why your anti-hyperlipidemic drugs are taken at night. Whether they are statins or any other anti-hyperlipidemia drugs, they are always taken at night, just so as to control the oxidation of the LDL cholesterol. The vinegar, especially the date vinegar, has been found that it controls the oxidation of the LDL lipoprotein, which is basically what is called the bad cholesterol. So it will control your cholesterol levels also. Fourthly, the use of date vinegar in pregnancy is time tested. If you are pregnant and you use dates or date vinegars, you will experience a shorter labor, lesser labor pains, lesser chances of postpartum hemorrhage. Postpartum hemorrhage is the bleeding that occurs after pregnancy. So any of the women who are pregnant, they should take date vinegar. The quantity of date vinegar is somewhat stiff, somewhat more. They should be taking about 15 to 20 ml, that is about 2 to 3 tablespoons of date vinegar. You can add them like in a glass of water or juice, as I said, or you can take it sprinkled on your food, whatever the way you like, but you should be taking a good substantial quantity of date vinegar during pregnancy. And even in the menstrual cycles, if you experience menstrual cramps, a date vinegar is rich in potassium. That is why the menstrual cramps of the menses they get eased. So people with ladies with experiencing menstrual cramps should also use date vinegar. It will benefit them. You can take date vinegar as a nutritional supplement. This is because dates, as I told you, they are nutritionally very rich. Weight by weight, they have more iron in them as compared to apples. And date vinegar is superior to the apple cider vinegar just because it has a larger quantity of iron. Plus, when you take it in the form of vinegar, you have the mother of vinegar or the healthy bacteria, which not only help in the absorption of iron, they also help in the assimilation of iron. This iron will go into the formation of RBCs or the red blood cells, and inshallah it will cure your anemia. Similarly, date vinegar has also been used in cases of osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is a condition in which the bones become brittle and people then experience bone pains. So, in case of elderly, it is recommended that they take date vinegar. Again, they should be taking it on food, like you can sprinkle it on your food or take it along as a juice, and this will help in the absorption of the nutrients as well as the assimilation of the nutrients. Plus, you will be getting the healthy bacteria or the probiotics also. The last and the most important use and the time tested use of vinegar is in case of skin problems, in case of burns, in case of inflammation, in cases of allergies, psoriasis, etc. Vinegar has been used time and again because again it is rich in antioxidants and polyphenols, and all these things, they help improve the structure of the skin, and it is very easy to use it. You not only you have to eat it or drink it, you have to apply it on your skin, especially in case of burns or any inflammatory lesions like psoriatic patch or eczema or things like that, and surely inshallah it will help you a lot. So these were some of the scientifically proven benefits of date vinegar and how to use the date vinegar to treat these inshallah. And thank you for watching the video till the end. In the comment section below, let me know did you use the date vinegar and how beneficial did you find it. Till we meet next time, take care. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.